So far, we have seen the working of TikTok as an example simulation, in which there are two nodes. The first node starts the process of sending out a message. It sends it to the other node on a single communication link. On the reception of the packet, the other side echoes back the same packet. When the first node receives the packet it had sent, it echoes it back. This echoing back continues indefinitely till the user stops the operation of the simulation. Now, in the next couple of lectures, we are going to extend the working of the TikTok protocol in such a way that we should look at various ways how we can add to the NED file, to the omnet.ini file, and to the C++ libraries. In this module, we shall look at how to refine the graphics and add additional debugging information. We'd look at how to add the state variables. The state variables allow us to change the behavior of the simulation run. Then we'd look at adding the parameters and a lot more. To have a holistic view of how this extension is going to take place, this block diagram shown with numbers from 2 to 16 are going to be implemented in a step-by-step fashion. To begin with, since we are interested in refining the graphics, we are going to refer to two files, tiktok2.ned and txc2.cc. These two files are going to be changed to implement the graphics information and additional debugging information. This is what we are expecting towards the end of the simulation run. We'll see that we still have two nodes. One of the nodes sends out packets to the other nodes. On receiving the packet, the node echoes it back. Here you can see some additional information has been shown to you visually, but some of the visuals are not shown here. You shall be seeing them in the debug information. Here in the TK environment and output, you'll see that the node tick has been colored cyan and the node talk has been colored golden or yellow. The message that was sent from the first node, the tick node, to the talk node is now given a name, the TikTok message. Let's look at the NED file first. Here, we already know that using the @display parameter, it helps us to add an icon. This icon was shown to you in the first NED file. When this icon has been added, here it is shown to you that tick as a submodule of the txc2.cc class library and talk as another txc2.cc class, each is identified as a different submodule. In each of these independent submodules, using the same command @display, here I is equal to cyan, it actually means that we are giving it the color cyan to the icon that had already been assigned to it. So it means the argument of icon is not replaced, it is rather colored. Similarly, for talk, we are going to change the color now to gold. Now, if we look at the tx2.cc file, we see that we had started with txt.cc. Here again we have two methods, the initialize and the handle method. In the initialize method, now we are adding some additional information. That is, here we have the debug information that will be shown to you in TK environment, such that if the tick message is going to get, if the tick node is going to get an interrupt for sending out the message, it is going to assign this under quotes sending initial message to a variable called the environment variable. This environment variable is going to be displayed onto the screen when the simulation starts. and then the message will itself carry a name called talk message. Similarly, in the HandleMessage method, we add the information that when a node that is going to be talk receives the message, it displays the content, received message, as you can see in quotes, and it shows you the message name and shows the message sending it out again. So it shows received method, take talk, and sending it out again. This simulation run is showing you what we have actually desired. And looking at the detailed debug information, we see that the event number are shown, the time is shown, and here it shows to you the debug information as the received message, take talk in single quotes, and sending it out again.